Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this.
Hey guys, good morning, and how you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. Is this sitting well? Yeah, welcome back to another vlog, and how are you guys doing? Somebody's getting addicted to coffee, and you should blame it on my husband. He's been buying me iced coffee, but when I'm at home, I'll just prepare the hot one. So I'm gonna be having coffee this morning, and today I need to get AJ's hair relocked.
And all that runs through my flesh is a spirit of trouble. Under moonlit sky, I'm desperate to feel more alive. Alive. Dreams that keep me wide awake.
So this morning I need to get my daughter's hair washed and retwist her lock. As most of you know, she's carrying dreadlock. I did lock her hair, and I think at the time I installed the lock, I did sister's lock at first, and it was about, if I'm not mistaken, I think there were over 500 strands. Yes, that was crazy, but it took me 3 months to do that. I didn't do a detailed video, but going forward I think I'm going to be doing a detailed video about hair journey. And funny enough, a few people asked me to do a routine, natural hair routine and a lock, but I'm not a professional in that area, so I felt, okay, what am I going to be teaching you guys? But I think it's from trial and error that we get perfect. So I'm like, okay, why not give it a try? So this morning I'm going to be shampooing her hair. I'm going to do deep conditioning with some natural ingredients, then go ahead to relock her hair. You guys are going to be joining me in this journey. And it's actually been like 4 or 5 months so far. I think we started ending of October. So that's November, December, January, February, March, April. Oh wow, 6 months journey. So I'll insert some few clips. So like I was saying, we had like over 500 strands, if I'm not mistaken. I think between 300 to 500 strands. But now we reduced it to about 100. I don't know if I counted it. Anyways, let me not say what I don't know. But anyways, I reduced it because my daughter couldn't see it for me to maintain the sister's lock. But I totally love the sister's lock. I'll probably insert some pictures. I loved it, you guys. But I had to join
Show you guys
the hair together.
the undergrowth she has, and to retwist each strand. Oh my god, no. this will be too much, and it's gonna take us, since it took us like like 3 months to get it installed. You can imagine retwisting it one by one. So what I decided to do now is that I'm going to twist 3 together, 3 strands, so what eventually the numbers of our dread is going to reduce.
Right on top of them, though. I can't.
Call me up out of the ground.
So we're done, and this is what AJ's hair looks like. Some I twisted 4, 5, 6 together, some 3. It wasn't hard. I mean, it wasn't easy. I had to use scissors to cut out some parts. Not cut out, just to separate, because our hair were tangled. As you all know, we didn't retwist for like 3 months, which is a lot. So if you're carrying a lock, you probably want to retwist on time. You look pretty, my darling. And why are you not having a smile on your face? You tired?
I'm tired.
Then what? So you guys, this is what AJ's hair looks like right now. You can see how big I joined the hair. And our hair is really growing.
If I were to the sea, baby, I never say, for I will fall into the light.
And it's one of my friends that taught me this. She's been carrying a natural hair for long. She's in Nigeria, so we're talking and she told me I can. This is so nice. I feel like eating this, you guys.
And I have died.
In any
Hold back,
ingredients here. I didn't write it down. And last thing is honey.
just have regrets.
Me meal. You guys tell me. This look,
Go back. Oh, Lord, I got
it's not gonna work.
the time I lost. Regrets. And the moonshine back again. And the moonshine back.
Okay. It's nice and smooth. I'm just gonna make sure that I'm shaking it very well. I'm gonna turn it into this jar. Oh wow, look at that, you guys. I can actually eat this. Or spread it on my bread. Oh. It's disgusting. Oh my god. You guys, I just said this is disgusting. What do you guys think?
Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night. And I'll buy you your life. But tell me, 'cause we still have time. I can't stop looking at you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't stop looking at you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else.
Now I've rinsed out the conditioner from my hair, and it was kept in my hair for more than 2 hours. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to oil the base of our hair. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just going to try different things until we stick to a routine that works for us. And this is argan oil. Is this argan oil? African Pride. And it's a mixture of Jamaican oil. So it's a mixture of this. I don't know if this is focusing. So this olive oil and the Pride oil. So I'm just gonna go in with this. I'm just gonna massage that into a scalp. And our hair is still wet because you need the hair wet. If it wasn't wet, I would have used a spray bottle with water. So next I need to section our hair into different parts, so that way it's easier for me to see what has been done and what hasn't been done.
There's nobody else. There's nobody else.
I'm using a tape rule to check the length of our hair and see how long our hair is. I never checked from the beginning, but I'm going to keep track of that now. So this is about 8 8.5 inches. So this is the hair product I use. I don't use any wax on her hair because it leaves residues. I only use the gel. So it's locking gel and it's cream of nature with argan oil.
Let me stay with you. Even asking you just one night. I don't know about you, your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't say I can't love you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't say I can't love you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. There's nobody else.
I feel so alive. I've never felt this way before. It must be you and I. It's got me thinking about us more. It's these bright lights, they put me in a daze, and I can't stop but think about the way that you move around up and down on that stage. It's your future vibes. Bright lights, they put me in a daze, and I can't stop but think about the way that you